Okay, and this is the Dreams Mateo's off-road car, set number 71471. Alright, the reason why I have his hairpiece off is double-sided face. Yes, you're being spoiled right now. I remember having single-sided faces, and that was it. Now get off my lawn. Anyway, front, back. Here is the blob. Here's the base build. Left that on for the other two build options here. Comes with an hourglass. That's how they make the stuff in the show with dreamzzz. When that runs out, well, it's out. This little grim spawn here is right here. But this is just the base build, so yeah, it's good. Like a little, I don't know, motorcycle bike thingy. Oh, and it comes with stickers, which are applied here, here, some other places around here. But yeah, that's it. No, it's not it, because I just love these illustrations that they show here. I just love these illustrations that they show here, because look, well, if they have any, if they do make prints of it that I'm able to buy, that strike my fancy, I'll, oh, there we go. See? These prints right here, just full color with the color of the set and everything. Yeah. Yeah.